welcome back to my channel. Today, as you guys guessed it, you are right, we will be unboxing the iPhone 13. Stay tuned and keep watching.
Black leather glove, no see-through. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up.
Alrighty, y'all. So yeah, so we got into it. We're gonna get into it. I'm gonna get my handy dandy scissors. Ooh, wait. Now, do not laugh at me, y'all. This is just super cute, so I had to use my handy dandy little scissors. They're like little paws or whatever. Don't laugh at me, y'all. All right, so first things first, y'all already know this is, we got to take this part off. And honestly, the back, now let me just be real with y'all. We used to get so much from Apple and they took so much away from us because of the fact that, you know, they are trying to be eco-friendly. So we no longer get like the headphones, we no longer get the cube. Honestly, we're gonna get into ripping this bad boy off. So I'm gonna rip it off. So y'all could really get into it. This one is mine because I got, so normally I get so they came out with a 1 terabyte, right? I normally get the 512, but this time I got the 256, and it's only because of 2 reasons. I'm probably moving forward going to export most of my video work from the phone to my cloud storage. I did upgrade my cloud storage, so I recommend probably doing that if you guys don't want to spend an extra buck for the 1 terabyte. You're gonna need that extra space, but I'm probably not. And oh my gosh, the blue is actually quite fire. Oh my gosh, it actually is quite fire, I must say. But I'm gonna show the comparison of the new color blue, which is the saffron blue, and the old blue, which is the 12 blue. So we have this blue and we have this blue. Now can y'all see the difference? Let me know. But here we go. This is the 12 Pro Max. This is the 13. It's a slight difference. It's not, it's a slight difference. And I'm sorry if my, like, you know, my phone is a little dusty. We're gonna see the difference. It's not crazy different. It's just a soft blue. So that's really it. And here we go, the moment everyone's been waiting for. This is what comes in the box. For those that don't know, this is what comes in the box. It's just the cable, just the cable. Nothing else comes in the box aside from the cable. So yeah, that's all you're getting. You're getting the cable and the phone. Cable, phone, that's it, period. Get too much into that, so we'll turn her on. And the reason why like I said, I'm putting the you know, phone in front of the camera that I'll be putting the most details on. So there's that, and we're gonna just slide up. I'm gonna pick English, set up my new iPhone. Okay, so as you can tell, my password. So the Retina display is very nice, I must say, you guys. I do like how bright the screen is. I love it. Let's make this bigger, just show you guys again. Yeah, it's really nice. Cinematic mode that everybody's been speaking about. I'm gonna try to bring my exposure down a bit. So okay, so I'm gonna record myself, right? And I'm going to show you guys what everyone's been talking about. Hey guys, it's your girl Simply Chyna, and today, you guessed it, I did an unboxing video on the iPhone 13 Pro. As you guys already know, all my loyal subscribers, supporters, all y'all know when the iPhones come out, we are here. So you already guessed it. Go and hit my subscribe button, hit that notification bell on my channel Simply Chyna, and make sure you stay in the loop. Make sure you are ready, so when that video drops, you know what's going on. You know if you want to secure the bag or not. Okay, now listen, right now I'm filming on the iPhone 13 Pro in the cinematic mode, so I'm just showing you guys a little snippet of what the cinematic mode has to offer, and you guys cannot tell me right now this doesn't look good. I know I look good, but you can't tell me right now this doesn't look good. Come on. So if you guys want to see more on what the iPhone 13 can bring, definitely hit that notification bell so you guys can stay in loop when I drop that video. So see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey guys, so this is actually the cinematic mode on a tripod. I wanted to just show you range on where you can kind of take this, and the cinematic mode definitely takes the cake. Apple, you did a great job at actually taking the videography into the next level, so I just really wanted to show you that. But most importantly, you can kind of see the concept on how you can focus on something versus, you know, depth of field. So I feel like really and truly, like Apple, you did a great job. If let's say, for example, I wanted to showcase something behind me, then I feel like the focal point then triggers from what you see now to what's behind me. So this is just something that's a part of the new chip. I think honestly, for anybody that's new to the videography world, this definitely helps a lot, and even people that are pros, this definitely helps a lot. So I hope you enjoy, and let's get back to the unboxing. All right guys, so now we're back. As you can see, this phone, it just can do it all. I really love the video work that I just produced with the phone, and even editing this video is just so easy. You can see the color gradients. You can just really get super creative with how you want to go about doing this. So personally, I feel like this, as far as video, you guys are really going to get your bang for your buck, and that's really all it is to it. Aside from that, the iPhone 12 is the same. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button before you leave, because you know I'll be back again with another one and another one and another one, and you guys want to be a part of that winning team. So let's get to it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.